What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be pulling the transmission off of the bottom side of the Beetle, off of the floor pans in the chassis. So here we are rolling that in. And struggling, even though this thing is super light. I think we were getting caught up on the curb going into the shop here. Got some water from the rain the last couple days sitting on the floor pans, which we'll get that cleaned up just to prevent rust, but I don't think we see that in the video. So I start by taking these 4 bolts here off of that axle seal, spindle seal. I don't know exactly what it's called, but some sort of seal. I don't actually think I needed to take this off. My initial plan was to take the axle out with the transmission, and I'm pretty sure I would have been able to just basically hammer out the axle here on the end and not have had to take these out, but we didn't end up taking the axles out anyway. It was just going to be too difficult, so you'll see the solution we choose for this later in the video. So we're trying to get these springs out here. They make a special tool for it, but I don't do these types of brakes too often, so a couple pair of pliers works. It's blurry, but yeah, we take
No, he's not here right now.
one to hold the pin and the other one to take the spring off.
Need him for anything?
This is the bug?
Yes. Yeah, bottom half of it at least.
The neighbor stopped by.
The body on it.
Yep.
No, he was gonna go weed eat around the cars and stuff, and
So here we are taking the back transmission mounts off. So there's just these 2 bolts on each side that go down into the little rubber block. And so here we're taking the, I guess, front of the car transmission mount, but technically rear of the transmission. I believe, if I remember correctly, it's one bolt that goes up underneath. Maybe two. Looks like two. Two nuts. And other than the bearing that goes through the tunnel to your shifter, those are the only things remaining holding this on. So here we are just trying to pull that out off of the bearing inside of the tunnel there. And here we are trying to hammer those axles out. Bolts that hold the axle to the transmission removed. We ended up using a torque stick for this, which is not the right socket, but it managed to work, and now we have the bolt out that I can take to the parts store and be like, I need this socket for when we reinstall the transmission and axle back in. And there we go, we finally got it free. It's just getting it to fall away from the actual axles. And we're free. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all next Thursday. Thanks for watching.